All the figures given below are made by using joining squares of equal size. The perimeter of which of the following is not the same as the other? The square of side A. The perimeter would be A plus 4A plus A plus 4A, or 2 times A plus 4A, which is 10A. In this case, this is A. Perimeter would be A plus 2A plus 4A plus A. So we have A plus 2A. We're starting from here. A plus 2A plus 4A plus A plus 3A plus A. 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, 12. 3, 7, 8, 11, 12. This is 12A. In this case, A. Is A plus 2A plus 2A. So a perimeter of this shape is A plus 2A plus 2A plus A plus 2A. A, 2A, 2A, A plus 2A plus 2A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2A, 8A plus A plus A, 10A. Here again, all of these are square. A. Starting from here, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A, 9A, 10A. This diagram is similar to this diagram, symmetric. So this will be 10A. Area of the perimeter of 3 of these shapes is 10A. One shape is 12A. So this does not fit in. This is the odd man out.